I came to Aruba to celebrate my 10-year sobriety and to explore this beautiful island by running 2 foot races as well. I love running. I have loved running since I can remember, since I was this tall, and over the years I've just gone further and further and further. For the last 10 years I've been an ultra marathon runner. Initially I picked up my running as a way to actually stop drinking. I used to drink too much alcohol, and in December 2011 I have my last drinks of alcohol and my first ultra marathon run. So I'm in Aruba to celebrate 10 years, no drinking, 10 years as an ultra marathon runner. As a 2007 graduate of BHS, I was successful by some measures at the high school, involved in athletics, involved in student government, involved as a volunteer, but I was also dealing with a lot of struggles and a lot of challenges, including anxiety and depression, trying to fit in and trying to rise up and reach my potential, and a lot of stress and pressure and uncertainties around that. That was really, really difficult, and it took a number of years of working through it in some of the wrong ways to start finding kind of my path and get comfortable in my own skin so I could work through those challenges in a safer, more responsible, and more effective way. Aruba has a world-famous reputation as a beautiful place. It is a melting pot of many cultures, beautiful beaches, rugged scenery, incredible landscapes, and coastline. I wanted to come explore it. It is winter in Seattle, where I'm from. It's very, very beautiful here in Aruba. So I have already done 2 big races. I started the coastline in Aruba near the Fontaine Caves, and then I run to the top of biggest hill peak, running as fast as I can. And then 2 days later, on New Year's Day, I start at Cerro, Colorado, in the far southeast, and I run 23.5 miles, like 37 kilometers across the island to the California Lighthouse. I would love to. I love running anywhere, but especially on Aruba. It's so beautiful here. I would love to meet more runners. There's some very good ones, I can tell. My big mission I'm working toward is a run across America. I'm gonna run 5,000 kilometers from New York City to Seattle, from the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean, all about raising awareness for America's addiction epidemic, all to figure out how do we boost youth mental health. That is my big mission, and you can actually learn more about at gregrunsfar.com or on Instagram, gregrunsfar. I will be the one running, but I won't be alone. I'm gonna have a great support crew and a film crew. Actually, we're making a documentary film about the addiction and mental health epidemics in America, and we want to really create grassroots action. So every community, every town we run through, we want to actually have people come out and to run a couple miles, ride your bicycle, hang out in my pickup truck, and share your story of how you've worked through or overcome addiction or mental health challenges. And that is really our purpose behind this run across America. My message for folks on Aruba is to follow your smile. This is one happy island, and it is such a beautiful, incredible place with beautiful sunshine, beautiful landscapes, beautiful people. Figure out what makes you happy and then spend more time doing it.